Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. This is Saffron, and this is day 2 of my Advent calendar unboxing. I'm unboxing the W7 Beauty Blast Reloaded, and we're going to go to number 2. Number 2's right here. Let's see here. Get it open. Be right back. Okay, got number 2 open. Let's try to get whatever product we got out. Here we go. Here's day number 2. I don't know what it is. It looks like a lipstick. It says W7 Too Fabulous. Let's see. It's a lipstick. Here's the color. Got a kind of average nude shade. Let's try it on. It smells pretty good. I don't know what the scent is, but it smells kind of sweet. It's pretty. There's day number 2. We got a lipstick. Please come back for day number 3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Or please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.